How to add a business address or phone number to your Squarespace header. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is with a little bit of coding that you can add a phone number and also your business address and the logo, the name of your website or the button just like this. So I'm going to show you here a demonstration of this process. So basically you're going to get a result or a final result like this. So as you can see, this is the website name here. You can instead put instead of the name, a logo, and I'm going to give you the code that you're going to put under the logo. Also, you can put here under this button or this call to action button, also a number or an address just right under it. So the process is going to be very easy. So basically, when you get over the editing here, click on edit header, you cannot modify something here aside from the title that you cannot control in here and add something like that. But I'm going to show you here, I'm going to save here the settings. I'm going to show you a little bit of coding. So we have some codes in here. These codes are going to be very beneficial for you, of course. You're going to find them on the description section. So each one of the codes are going to be, for example, for a specific case. Like this one, add info under a site title or under the title, for example, under title, and here under the logo, I'm going to put it on here, the C2A, or for example, CTA, or call to action button, or under the button, just like that. So I am going to make it understandable. So just like that. And remember to check the description section so you are going to see the code. Now, here, how we can insert that code? Easy. So you're going to head over here, click on pages. From the pages, you're going to head over here or scroll down a little bit until you see the utilities. We have system pages and we have website tools and trash. We are going to select website tools. We have the custom code, we have the code injection and the custom CSS. We need only the custom CSS. We're going to click on here and this is the code. So basically this is the first code, add info under the title. We have copied this until here or the closing bracket. I have put this like that. So I'm going to delete it. So you're going to see the result. I'm going to paste it in here, and as you can see, we have the code in here. So what can we do about that code? So here, as you can see, header dash title dash text after. So you're going to see the content. Here we have the address, and here we have the phone number. You can go ahead and modify your phone number as much as you want, also the address. Here, for the font size, you can go ahead and increase it or make it a little bit smaller. It is up to you. For example, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller like that. So for the color, you're going to type in the name of the color. For example, here black, I'm going to type in blue. And you're going to see here the blue color. For example, I'm going to type in dark blue. And you're not going to see that because it is going to be like this. So the colors needs to be just like that, assembled to each other. I'm going to type in here green, just like that, and you're going to see it right there. So for the font family, I have set up the Monsterrat. As you can see here, you can go ahead and modify it by setting up, for example, Arial, and you're going to see the font changing just like that. So that was pretty much for the title or the information under the title. Now let's head over the call to action button. This code at the middle, as you can see under the logo. So if we had or we've had a logo here, you are going to insert that code instead of that. And I'm going to copy and paste here from this point. So you're going to see where I'm going to copy. I'm going to avoid the title, of course. I'm going to paste in here the code that we have, and you're going to see that we have inserted the phone number under the button just like that. We can do here the padding tops here, modify it, also alignment here. As you can see, it is going to be on center. So the font size also could be changeable, and also the font family like Arial. Boom. Basically, that was all for today's video. Do not forget to take a look on the description. So you are going to get the code in the description section. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to save everything you have did here. So you're going to see it on the next comment onto your website. And also the clients are going to see it right there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.